Hey guys, so my Ulta Black Friday package already came here even though I pretty much just placed the order, so it was really fast. So I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys and show you what I got. So I got these vintage cosmetic company like fuzzy headbands, and usually people use this when they're to pull their hair back when they're washing their face or like applying makeup. The Too Faced Pop Tarts Brown Sugar Cinnamon Palette. So just going to unbox it with you guys and show you what it looks like. I actually saw Steph Papa's using it and it just looks so, the colors look so warm and cozy and it looks really pretty. So yeah, what it looks like, it looks very pretty. I also got the Lancome Hypnose palette. Let's take a look at the colors. I think I got it in the taupe shade. Very shimmery, very pretty. Got two of the Kat Von D liquid liners. I think they were half off and it's just a good time to stock up on liquid liners. I bought the Lancome Hypnose Drama waterproof mascaras because now they're $12, but I actually bought them during the pre-Black Friday sale for I think almost $20 each. And I actually just really wanted a price adjustment to save myself the hassle of going into the store, like returning it, rebuying it. But they actually don't offer that at the moment, so that's a little disappointing and inconvenient. I just don't like going to the stores during the holidays. I think it's really crazy and hectic. But yeah, so just want to share that with you guys. And there are a lot of great deals going on in Ulta right now, so definitely go check it out.